What is an infographic? Information graphics, or infographics, are graphic visual representations of information, data or knowledge, intended to present complex information quickly and clearly. The word infographic, as you are probably already aware, is a combination of information and graphic. As such, it's pretty easy to understand that an infographic is a graphic containing information. Importance of infographics. Infographics are designed for quick scanning of your content, unlike traditional methods of reading an entire paragraph of a business idea. Infographics attract people through the use of bright colors and appealing imagery. Before starting infographics, make sure you have to follow 2 points. Number 1. Be unique. One of the most important aspects of designing an effective infographic is to make it engaging and memorable with a unique twist on something that everyone can relate to. You need to design something unique that will capture the attention of the audience you are seeking to draw in. Number 2. Keep it simple. Even though you want to shoot for interesting and unique, don't throw in so much detail and extra information that the audience is overwhelmed by everything going on in your infographic. Seven rules to create infographics. Number 1. Make one big point. Number 2. Use simple combinations of primary colors. Number 3. Space it out. Number 4. Choose quality fonts with different type space. One for your title or header, one for your body, and a third for flavor. Number 5. Come up with a solid, eye-catching design. Number 6. Decide on what's important and what's not. Number 7. Make it addictive. When combined with the 7 above rules, infographic design and data visualization become a powerful tool in gaining the attention of our audience and in communicating our message. Summary. In this video we discussed 1. What is an infographic? 2. Importance of infographic. 3. 2 important points. Those are, be unique and keep it simple. 4. 7 rules for infographics.